Hey guys, today I'm going to do a tasting of a product called Korean style noodles with black bean sauce by Pulmuone. Looks good. I'm going to look at the cooking directions and see how easy it is. Alright, I'm looking at the cooking directions. It says to bring about 3 3/4 cups of water to boil. Add Korean style noodle and boil for 3 minutes and 30 seconds. Use a strainer to remove excess water, then transfer to a serving bowl. Immerse sauce packet in boiling water for about 2-3 minutes. Remove sauce from packet and pour over noodles. Mix well and enjoy. Simple. All right, let's start cooking. All right, I took everything out of the packet. It has like 2 servings. You got the 2 servings of the noodles and then the 2 servings of the sauce. All right, I'm gonna start cooking it. All right, I finished cooking. I cooked the noodles for about 3.5 minutes, and then the sauce packets, and I put it in boiling water and heated up for about 3 minutes. I got it in a bowl here. Looks good, and it also smells good. All right, I'm gonna mix it up and have a taste. All right, I got it all mixed. Looks delicious. All right, I'm gonna sit down and have a taste. All right, let's see how this tastes. This is actually, the noodles with black bean sauce is actually Jajangmyeon. Let me mix it up a little bit more. And yeah. Man, that's good. The noodles are cooked just right. So I cooked them for about 3.5 minutes. And then I rinsed them off because I don't want to. Actually, I wanted to stop the cooking process, so make it chewy. It's nothing worse than a mushy noodle. Good. It's a very mild, that black bean taste. A little sweet. And the sauce has little onion pieces. This is actually 2 servings, and it's a pretty good amount of food. Yes. Yeah, that's good. It's very tasty. It's easy to eat. That's delicious. Let's see here. Get a nice big amount here. Yeah, I really like this. I'd say maybe one day I'll make my home style jajangmyeon. Need a little bit of meat in here, but there's no meat. Just a lot of onions and looks like a little bit of green pepper. But the sauce is it's sweet and it's delicious. Very tasty. It is easy to eat. I'm almost finished with it. Yeah. That's good. One more. Well, I'm done. Yeah, I think I could eat about 4 servings of this. It's delicious. I'll buy this again. This Korean style noodles with black bean sauce, otherwise known as Jajangmyeon by Pulmuone, is actually very tasty. You know, there's actually some meat in there. I noticed like very little amounts, you know, barely enough to tell that there's meat in here, but it's still a good product. You know, Pulmuone always make good products. You know, I'll buy this again. You know, I think I'll buy 2 packets. You know, 4 servings probably just perfect for me.